So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am making video like after 3 months. I don't even remember because like पढ़ाई वगैरह स्टार्ट हो गई थी and then like starting में तो सबको रहता है ना ऐसे कि हाँ वीडियो बनाएंगे but then like सारी वीडियोस बनाई थी but then फिर वो धीरे धीरे मोटिवेशन जाता रहता है, like डीमोटिवेट होते रहते हैं because like व्यूज़ वगैरह कुछ उतने आ नहीं रहे थे एंड थोड़ा बिजी भी हो गई थी थोड़ी लाइफ. सो देन आई जस्ट लाइक स्टॉप मेकिंग. फिर मन ही नहीं करता था बनाने का कि क्या बनाऊँ, कंटेंट भी नहीं है, किस टॉपिक पे बनाऊँ. एंड देन लाइक कुछ व्यूज़ या लाइक्स भी इतने नहीं आए थे. बट देन आई रिसेंटली चेक माई यूट्यूब एंड देन मैंने जब अपना यूट्यूब खोल के देखा एंड आई वॉज लिटरली शॉक्ड बिकॉज लाइक when I started like it was like मेरे सब्सक्राइबर थे कुछ like धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहे थे, कुछ मतलब ऑलमोस्ट तो ज़्यादा घर वाले ही थे एंड देन लाइक घर वाले लाइक थोड़े फैमिली रिलेटिव्स फ्रेंड्स इतने ही थे. फिर अभी मैंने जब खोल के देखा थोड़े दिन पहले तो इट वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 1000 एंड आई वाज लाइक द हेल. आई मीन आई वाज लिटरली सरप्राइज्ड लाइक हाउ कम आई गॉट 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. And right now if I open like I have like not 1000 but like almost 1000. It's wait, it's 964. I mean if you could see right there, it's 964 and I was like I think I should make some videos again. So yeah, and recently I got a package from India and I'm so happy to open it. I mean, I was waiting for this for so long. Like, it usually takes like 4 or 5 days to come, but then mera package, because it was my package, it took almost 15 days. And I was like, मतलब मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है ये, like क्यों? And then I received a lot of items. Like it is right. Wait, I just want to should I just wear specs? No. So here is it, the package. I mean, I have already opened it, but then I have already opened it because मेरे से नहीं रुका जा रहा था, मेरे को देखना था क्या है क्या नहीं है. But सारा सामान इसी में है अभी. So let's unpack my package with me. So this video is gonna be like what, unpack, opening, I don't know. Here we go. And it's like, I think there is something missing too. I don't know how to work out it, but then missing too. Oh my god, I'm literally dying to have these. I mean, you like यहाँ पे मिलते हैं but then literally it is like 50 rupees, not even $1. and यहाँ पे छोटे वाला पैकेट वो 20 rupees वाला वो $3 या $4 का मिलता है. मैंने एक बार खाया था but then no, इतने पैसे तो नहीं है मेरे पास कि मैं डेली $4 का चिप्स खाऊं. एंड और सिर्फ इंडियन स्टोर पे मिलता है, यहाँ पे और भी मिलता है. This is so good. I was dying to have these. And then I mean मैंने इतना ज़्यादा स्नैक्स मंगाए. मैंने बोला था कि मेरे को स्नैक्स ही चाहिए, बस स्नैक्स ही दो. Oh my god, हल्दीराम. Oh my god, like यहाँ पे हल्दीराम नहीं है. Like you can get हल्दीराम here. There's like Asian grocery. It's possible like उस पे मिल सकता है, but then no, this is love. I didn't even open it yet. I just love snacks so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy to have these. I was dying, literally dying. मैंने हल्दीराम से बहुत सारा सामान मंगाया, बहुत ज़्यादा. I don't know why I love हल्दीराम so much. This is so good. I didn't get engaged. My mom sent me this. Like it's her ring. I was like, yay. So it's her ring. My god. Oh my god. tea lovers, just look at this beauty. I mean, I'm from Delhi, and to be honest, I don't know Delhi and tea makes a sense or not. But then मैंने जब यहाँ पे आके देखा लोग चाय नहीं पीते. I mean, there is no craze for tea over here, and I was like, how you guys are even surviving? So, I didn't ask for. My mom sent me dry fruits too. Cookie heaven. I don't know why. Like मैं चाय के साथ ये सब खाती हूँ ना तो इतना अच्छा लगता है. Oh my god. Because when I came here I didn't bring any traditional clothes with me. Did I? No, I didn't. I brought one suit, but then I didn't have any. So अभी मैंने मम्मी से traditional clothes भी मांगी. Look at these guys. Look at these. These are so pretty. Okay, I have one more piece. Where's the other? So I have something like this. Oh, my mom. Oh yeah, my mom sent me 2 saris. So I think it's for that, like to wear sari ke saath. Oh. I mean, मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ ना हो ये. I cannot even expect that because it's me obviously. So yeah, how come मतलब ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना कि मेरा कुछ काम हो रहा है और उसमें कुछ गलत ना हो. That's not possible. Oh my god, this actually looks so pretty. I mean, I don't know. Some cute pair of socks. I don't know how many my mom sent. Oh, I got some shoes too. The shoes जो मैं लाई थी, they are all like I wear them like daily, literally daily. So I mean, they are almost there. I needed some new shoes, so I got some. What else? Oh my god, look at this. It's still not opening. Okay. Look at this. So tasty. Okay, other stuff I don't care about because I could get them over here too. But guys, this, oh my god, I don't know, I might cry. Look at, my mom made them. I really wanna cry right now. I just love this so much, and that too जो मम्मी बनाती है वो, like okay, so my mom sent me that 2 of them. Okay, so one more of that cake rush. I just love this so much. Oh god. Okay, good. स्टार्टिंग में बोला था I love snacks so much क्योंकि मैं खाने से ज़्यादा snacks पे ही जिंदा रहती हूँ. Like in whole day I don't think I eat more than 1 meal. Rest of the day I just eat snacks. And यहाँ पे आके इतना, like literally when I came here I was so thin, and look at me now. I mean, look at me. I lost my jawline. Okay, so this has a story. Like when I was coming here, I was supposed to bring it because this is like my favorite pair of PJ because it's like literally so cute. Look at this. Oh yeah, I told my mom to like I got some traditional clothes. So these are some like kurtis for me, like which I'm gonna wear for sure. Why this is yellow? I don't like yellow because my mom didn't even show me like what she's sending. So what? Okay, this is cute, red. I'm gonna wear it then. This is cute. I don't know if they're gonna sue me or not, but then मम्मी ने भेजा है तो अच्छी होगा. Okay, we found another pair of this. Why these are so small? I love them. यहाँ पे न्यूट्री चॉइस शायद मिलता है. I don't know मिलता है या नहीं मिलता, but I love these bro. Punjabi curry. I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff here and there. Just look at the mess I made. I just dropped them on the floor. What's wrong with me? Okay, we are back again. Clothes and socks. Okay, so I have one more lace, one more Nutri-Choice, and one more Taj Mahal. Yay! And then, oh yeah, my mom sent me a soup. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I didn't. Oh, I thought these are 2, but these are like a packet of 6. Okay, so I have more, and a lot of them. So I am happy now. Oh my god. जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी तब मैंने वीडियो नहीं बनाई थी शायद कि मैं क्या क्या सामान लाई हूँ. हाँ, मैंने नहीं बनाई थी. तो तब मैं लाई थी इतने ही लाई, इतने इससे ज़्यादा लाई थी आगे, और मैंने वो सब खा लिए. I mean it's been already 6 months since I came here and I don't even like, लगता भी नहीं है पता. अभी literally I just came और I don't know 6 months कैसे चले गए पता ही नहीं चला. And I'm literally in my second semester now. Second semester, second week. Second semester में 2 weeks हो भी चुके हैं start हुए. Oh my god. But to be honest, I like aloo bhujia more. But this is also good. I mean, at least you are getting something. Okay, some neighbors just passed by. Cashews. I mean, I like dry fruits. Who doesn't? Okay. This is a suit. This is so pretty. I mean, my mom bought this for herself, but then मैंने बोला कि मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए भिजवा दिया. This is like a sharara types and this is so pretty. See, I mean, I'm gonna wear it someday, but not today obviously. This is chunni of that. What? This is some bed sheet. Okay, one more cute pair of socks. And I just have some blankets, like some cute blanket, not the blankets, bed sheets. Here, few more socks. Am I already done? No, I want more. I mean, look at this. This is already empty. I don't know what else is there, but then look at my stuff. This is too much. Literally, this is. Why this is broken? I don't know, man. So yeah, that was it for this video. But she also sent me some like jewelry, but then package में नहीं आया था. वो मेरी एक friend गई थी, वो लाई थी, मतलब उसके साथ भिजवा था, तो उसके अंदर ये था like these earrings, these cute little earrings, and then it had this. And like क्योंकि पैकेज में लिक्विड आइटम्स अलाउड नहीं होते, सो इसलिए मम्मी ने थोड़ा सा मेकअप भेजा था, बट देन वो इसके साथ भेजा था. But I guess these look so cute. I used to wear like these only in India. Yeah. That's all for this video, I will try to make like regular vlogs, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna make. I mean, I should make, but then I don't know, like I don't have any topics actually, but then I will try to show some season because there is a lot to show, but my schedule is so hectic. I don't know. I will try to make regular vlogs from now on though. So yeah, that was it. Thank you. Bye bye.